Is it time to change the filter on your fridge? Today I'm going to show you how. This is a filter 3 refrigerator filter. It goes in Kenmore and Sears models. It inserts in the bottom of the refrigerator, and today I'm going to show you how to install it. These filters can get very expensive. We purchased a 3-pack of these off Amazon because of the price, and it was the best price for what we needed. And just check out the link below. We'll have them listed. And if you need help with any other filter changes, ROs, or whatnots, other refrigerators, check out our channel or subscribe to DIY on the House. All right, let's get started. To replace this filter, what we're going to do is there's a button on the side here. I'm going to actually depress this button. That'll release the lock that's on this filter. We're going to pull the old one out, just like so. Take off the cap and actually insert that on the new filter and just do a little quarter turn. There's a little notch out on the filter that you can you'll see once you do it. At that point, we're going to reinsert it. Now there's a guide here, and there's also a guide in the refrigerator. So we're going to put this to the side and put it in like so, and push and snap. And that is actually it. The filter's installed. So now what I'll do is I'll probably run about 3 gallons of water through the water dispenser. And once that's done, it's ready for drinking.